Howdy Garys and Garyettes. Today we're going to show you my new drift car for 2025. It's something that I've always wanted to kind of own and just never had the chance. So we've got some plans for next year. We'll go over in this video. We're currently in Sedona. Some gangster views, so I figured it would be a good chance. We're currently driving to Texas. We've left LA. This is the end of year, the final stint of our USA tour for 2024. Let's get right into it and show you what we've got, and we're going to be cruising with the fam, show you some sights. Yeah, Daniela.
Yeah.
We are the big riggers, been hauling. So I've actually crammed in Daniela's Range Rover in the front. We've dropped off the wagon. We'll be able to let you know now. So we've actually got a factory space in LA right next to First Workshop.
LA.
Oh my god, it's pretty much LA. It's like Southern California, SoCal, OC.
SoCal.
Anyway, it's Cali, don't care. It's close to LA. Anyway, so we got a shop space, sharing a space with Jackson. I don't think he has a shop name yet, but my half's definitely called Tang Gang Factory USA, obviously. I took a little video. Barrel Wags and the VL are chilling there, waiting to get some work done, waiting for plans for next year and FD things. If you did miss that announcement, yes, we got into FD Prospect next year in the Barrel Wags, first wagon in FD. Anyway, we're blabbering again, so let's pull this car. I've been hauling Danny's heavy ass car, and this car is actually pretty heavy too, definitely the heaviest load. And we ended up blowing a spring. We blew out a leaf spring. I have replaced it, so she's good to go. But what's up?
I need you to take the race car out now.
Okay, let's get the race car out. What do you reckon, James? Huh? Alright, here she is. GS300, baby. Car I've never owned. Car I've always wanted to own. Honestly, it was between this or IS200 or IS300 was always what I wanted. Looked at a few, couldn't find anything I liked. Honestly, IS200, I think they're a little bit small. They're basically like a small JZX100. Then I was looking at JZX100, obviously being right-hand drive and all that, and the prices were just stupid. And then I saw this pop up, and I saw the color, and I was like, that has to be it. The price, everything was like spot on, and it got all the basic mods that I would normally do, so it saves me time. There's a few things I need to do, but anyway, here we are. Lexus Aristo GS300, baby. I'll get straight into the goodies. What's under that bonnet right there? Of course, had to be something spicy, because the plans for this car is basically all the fun events next year. And we do have Drift Week next week, which I'll probably only be able to do a few days. So that's run by Aaron Lucy at Lone Star Drift. It was a big plan to do Drift Week, but it's kind of ended up being just one of those things at the end of the year, just might not be able to make happen properly. So either way, we'll get to do a few days in this. 2JZ, baby. Single Turbski, high mount, X gate, stock ECU, pretty sure stock fueling, just new fuel pump and stuff, and it's only running at the moment like 8 psi and it feels carrying, so you can basically up that boost up to 18 or put some spicy stuff. What do you reckon? 2JZ, baby. Number one fan, other boys don't care. This kid,
It literally came running over.
yeah, he loves it. So yeah, perfect platform. I wanted something either 1J or 2J, just for reliability things. Just a car I can just smash laps, but aftermarket rad. The swap's done pretty clean. Apparently low K, around 100,000 kilometers or 70,000 miles or something on this engine. Wheels, so depending on sponsor situations, but we should be sticking with Kansai next year. And we've just taken the old wheels off the wagon and slapped them on here. I'll probably take off the yellow stripes, a bit obnoxious for the streeters. This car is registered in Cali, so I bought the car with no wheels. It had some like chat fitment inkies on it. Yeah, I just threw these on, and the size is actually perfect. It's got like a wide body, so it's like a weld-on style flare, just like a small version of the Wags, and 18 by 10.5 plus 12. It's got big lock knuckles, PC coils. The rear's a little bit too high for some reason. I was wrapping like a big ass chunky tire, so we'll get the right tire size and slam that ass. Interesting blue color, but you'll find out why soon enough. It's got some like okay seats, I mean nice seats for street, like leather, Bloody don't know that brand. What is it? Cornbread or something?
Corn? Oh, it says comfy life.
But yeah, pretty basic interior. It's got the Chase Bay inline handbrake. It's got a short shifter for the R154.
The steering wheel is very gross.
Yeah, steering wheel's gross. So I've got, I might be able to put on, I've got a Grip Royal steering wheel that I won at the start of the year. The mid-pond spring brake is just hanging up in the trailer there. But yeah, just currently full of some stuff to load it in. But yeah, still got all the interior. So we'll have to do a cage and some seats and harness and whatever, but it's good street spec right now. Anyway, that's it. It's got an exhaust. I think it's got high flow cats, full twin exit, just mufflers at the back. So it's kind of like tame for street noises. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll get it ready, we'll get the kids seats in, we'll go for a cruise. We're gonna check out some cool locations at Sedona. Oh. Got that mid-pawn, king of mid-pawn spring brake. Grip Royal fresh, get rid of that stanky overused one. What? Going on what, baby? Alright, I forgot to mention, Daniela, we've got luxuries. We've got AC and heater working. Got a stereo. Thank you. Alright, let's get out of here. All gauges be working. Oh, I don't know.
So it stinks.
It's got a little exhaust leak up there, but it's got a cat. So
great.
it's a cruise night. Yeah, it's got to warm up. It's rich, plenty of rich.
Oh my god, it's bumpy.
Left-hand drive too, if you've got it out. Obviously a big point, so I can get comfy in both hand drives.
I thought you bought the car for me.
Yeah, and you can do some drafting. Let's go, Sedona, baby. First stop. Don't know. I've got to go look it up. Let's
You're
do
an
that.
idiot.
Let's look it
Oh
up.
my gosh.
True. First try successful. Not bad, a bit stanky. Got a bit of an exhaust leak on the dump pump or something. There's flat spotted tyres. Interesting, but here we are. Bell Rockus. Oh, it is. It's a 5-minute walk. See how long it takes the boys to rages. Not bad. Wow, red dirt. I just realised someone said something. It's like a radiator sprang through in cars. The red dirt Uluru, Australia. Actually, never been to Uluru. Apparently, but I think super rocky. I don't think you'll enjoy it that much. Oh wow, picturesque. Alright, we got about five minutes up to the car. True. Then he's got a topper. I'm holding kids' jumpers, and they're done. And we're on to the next spot. Very somewhere back there, I think. Kangaroos and my family left me. They left me. Ooh, what a view. Nice. Kids raging. Hug fix. Back of the car, got the boys working. I forgot to pull the stickers off. Looks a bit stoopy on the street, so stickers off. Got it. Oh, clean. Alright, we're pretty much at the end of our day. We've got a little bit of a sunset tour with the Jeep things, up the thing, so I might post some videos in there. Otherwise, close down this video. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, smack that like. Haven't said that in a while, I feel, but yeah, if you're a new follower or someone that hasn't watched our stuff before and want to see gangster content of drifting this thing next year, the Barrel Wags next year, we've got a huge event we've just announced, so the Drift Fest 2025 Australia. So we've got heaps of gangster guests. We've got top 16 invite only. We've got the Reet race. Some more stuff that we haven't announced yet, so make sure you follow to get all the updates. Yeah, hope you like the new Riggers as much as the kids do. And yeah, we've got some spicy mods and a few things coming up. Drift Week next week, and all will be revealed. You guys like the new car? Yeah? Alright. So like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Nice.